Thank you so much for joining me on episode 2 of Good Morning IPL. A show, truth be told, has nothing to do with the morning, but all to do with the good of the IPL. अब देखिए, हमारा जो पहला शो था ना, जो हमारा ग्रैंड ओपनिंग शो था, आप लोगों ने शो को इतना सारा प्यार दिया है. ओए होए होए होए. It got a total of 37 views. 37. अरे मेरे भाई, हम कटोरा लेके बैठे हुए हैं आपके सामने, कैमरे ऑन करके, माइक लगा के, घर पे हमने स्टूडियो बनाए हुए हैं. थोड़े तो व्यू दे दो यार, प्लीज. एंड ट्रूथ बी टोल्ड, वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस शो, होपफुली यूल बाय इनटू इट एज वेल. देखिए, ये जो शो है, इट इज नॉट अबाउट हु इज विनिंग, हु इज लूजिंग, सरपंच साहब, वो साहब, ये साहब. हम नहीं फोकस करने वाले उस पर. दिस शो विल फोकस ऑन कंटेंट दैट विल टच योर ह्यूमन साइड. Content that will bring a smile on your face from the IPL.
Okay, if you ask you about this, what are you doing right now?
Yeah, sure.
How did it all start? Like, why, basically?
I just think these grounds are an amazing place to be, and I know it's just a respect thing. This is respect for our little area, and that's just what we do here at Gujarat Titans.
अब जो शो की शुरुआत है, it's going to be with the big man with an even bigger heart, Matthew Hayden, Aussie batsman, and now in the Gujarat Titans camp. ये जो दृश्य आपके सामने हैं, these came after a recent practice session that the Titans had. पूरी की पूरी टीम वापस डगआउट जा चुकी थी ड्रेसिंग रूम में, लेकिन एक इंसान पीछे रह गया, और वो इंसान ये कर रहा था. See, Matthew Hayden won everyone's heart. First and foremost, he went and met members of the broadcast crew. Remember, he's been a part of the broadcast team for a long time at JioStar. So when he saw them, जाके झप्पी मारी वहाँ पे. लेकिन उसके बाद जो काम मैथ्यू ने किया, भाई दिल को ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुकून मिला वो देखकर. He picked up all the trash around the dugout. वहाँ पे bottles पड़े हुए थे, वहाँ पे plastic bags पड़े हुए थे, and he even went into the stands to do the same. And truth be told, ये जो गंद है, it was not fell out by Matthew Hayden. उन्होंने ये गंद नहीं फैलाया जो जाके अपने आप वहाँ पे साफ कर रहे हैं. He just picked it up because he said it is my responsibility to do so, and in the process sent out a message to everyone कि अगर मैथ्यू हेडन जैसा बंदा ये सब कर सकता है, तो तुम भी तो कर सकते हो ना मेरे भाई. एक्चुअली में ना, ये जो ट्रेंड है ना, ये ट्रेंड शुरू किया है जापान के फुटबॉल फैंस ने. दे बीन नोन वर्ल्ड ओवर कि जहां भी वो मुकाबला देखने जाते हैं, उसके बाद दे क्लीन अप आफ्टर देयर लीव. दैट रीसेंट एग्जांपल वाज दैट फ्रेंडली वर्सेस इंग्लैंड एट वेम्बली. मुकाबला खत्म हुआ, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट कि जापान हारा या जीता है, जापान के जो फैंस हैं वो अपने इर्द गिर्द जो है वहाँ पे सारा सामान उठाते हैं, कूड़ा उठाते हैं, टू लीव द स्टेडियम द वे इट वाज व्हेन दे एंटर्ड टू वॉच द मैच. Next up is Mahendra Singh Dhoni winning everyone's heart with this gesture at the airport. Now MS was making his way to the plane, of course. सामने मैम एक बैठी हुई थी व्हील चेयर पे, और मैम ने दरख्वास्त करी कि जी मैं सेल्फी खिंचाना चाहती हूँ with the big man MS Dhoni, who was surrounded, as of course and understandable, was surrounded by a lot of guards. So what did MS do? He moved the guards aside. वो मैम के पास गए, उन्होंने मैम का फोन उठाया and he clicked a selfie with that lady.
हो मारो जला लो बिला लो, मारो मारो मत वालो, मारो केसरियो बलम घर आओ सीरे.
fan interactions can leave a lasting impact on the fan on the other side. A bad interaction will push that fan away further from those heroes, possibly dent his beliefs in those sporting heroes. But a good interaction, like the one with Ishan Kishan, like the one with Yashasvi Jaiswal, will always leave that smile on the fan's face. यार उस लड़के की शक्ल देखो, वो फोटो खिंचवाने के बाद, देखने वाली चीज़ है. That face tells you everything. See, more often than not, we vilify these players, these big name players, because इनको जितना पैसा मिलता है, जितना पैसा ये लोग कमाते हैं. And it's not fair to be up. And most of the times you'd have to say it is done unfairly. पर देखो जी, वो भी इंसान है. एक वक्त पे उनके भी हीरो वहाँ पे स्टेडियम में खेल रहे थे, so they understand that all too well. And they also have a human side, so they duly oblige. And these are those very wholesome moments that not only stay with the fan, but also stay with the superstar cricketer.
Don't start crying. I'm looking for you. Look.
Right, brother?
You good?
Why are you crying? Oh, come here. Good lad. Come on. Yeah, do you know what? I did promise it to Rashford. Don't show them lot, because I'm just told them I'm going to give it to Rashford. But I'll give him another one, yeah? Here you go. Oh, and I've hurt my shoulder as well, so you can have that.
Thank you.
Good boy. Love you, mate. I love you.
Just like this video. Now, this video was taken a few years back at West Ham's football stadium. तब West Ham के लिए खेल रहे थे Declan Rice. मैच खत्म होने के बाद एक युवा लड़का वहाँ पे स्टैंड्स में उनका इंतजार कर रहा था. Declan duly obliged. He went and spoke to the fan, and just see the look and the expression on that young boy's face. Much like this kid, उसकी आंखें फिन एलन से of Kolkata Knight Riders से हट ही नहीं रही थी. He was there for a photo shoot, but his eyes were gazing only one person, and that was the big man in front of him. And to be fair, Finn Allen was duly obliging to all his questions. See, kids by nature are curious, and the number one thing to kill that curiosity is if you try shutting them down there and then. And not only did Finn Allen, of course, oblige with all his questions, he even gave him a signed bat at the end of that photo shoot. ये मारा ना छक्का अब मेरे भाई ने.
It's the best bit of coaching I've had in a long time. I appreciate that you care, DK. There's no sarcasm in this.
Sure.
I appreciate it that you care.
That's part of my job, though.
Not really. Not like that.
And finally, this interaction between Phil Salt and Dinesh Karthik during a Royal Challengers Bangalore practice session. देखिए, जो एक बड़ा खिलाड़ी होता है ना, उसको हर वक्त कदर होती है उस इंसान की जो उसके बारे में सोचता है. As an athlete, as a player, you meet all sorts of characters all over the world. Not all of them are good. Not all of them touch your heart. Not all of them form a connection with you. Some might even spoil your path. But जब आपको एक ऐसा इंसान मिलता है who genuinely wants to help you, the individual, get better, then as a player, you always acknowledge it. Just like Phil Salt.